Look at this, guys. Now, we all know, everybody know the boat's supposed to go through there. But, y'all see that? Yes, guys, it broke off in there. Technically, to make this set still with the cross member, I guess. So let's just use this side as an example. They took a drill. Bzzz. Now, how did they make threads in this though? Because, like, I would never take this off because I don't know if I'll be able to bolt it back up. It's hard to tell if that's somebody's fault. You can't really blame. If you're taking something off, how is it your fault that it broke or it seized up coming off? Okay, what other options you have at taking something off? Especially a bolt or a nut or something like that. You merely going like this to come out and it stop, and you keep going, it freezes and it snap. It's hard to say if that's your fault or not. But who can you blame it on? Actually, nobody. It's just one of those things, especially if it's not cross-thread. Once again, guys, these co-workers of mine are awesome, guys. One of my buddies had a Craftsman set. Now, y'all take a look at this. Okay, come on out of here, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we may be on to something. Extractors that's real thin. Okay, which ones? Let's see. Is it this one? Ooh, this one broke, guys. So this is the big one. You know the thing about this? Even though it's Craftsman, it's not really lifetime warranty because I don't know how they explain it, but they don't want to give them. Okay, I can go down even smaller with that one. Look how narrow or how not wide that is. Oh man, a good tap on that's gonna get a good bite on that and twist. And y'all, the good part about this is, yes, it will fit in that hole. I got a straight shot. I'm gonna put my extension on there, hammer down on that, just start turning. But what I'm gonna do is get the torch and get that hot, real hot, so it might have some Loctite on it. So yeah, I think that red stuff was the Loctite. So I'm gonna get it hot from the opposite side. So I might have to be up top or have a helper go up top, let the car up top while I heat it up and he simply turn. This is seems like the best tool for this. Yes, straight shot down, and this hole, it doesn't matter the width of this hole because toop 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 toop. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, wish me luck. We gotta get this off, and I found the right tool to do it. All right, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alright guys, y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see what I'm doing? I was gonna do it up top, but no! Look at that boat come out of there, guys. Oh my goodness. You talking about one? Y'all see the thread? It's turning, guys. Now I'm going off from the top, okay? Instead of trying to come out from the bottom, I'm actually going out from the top. I don't care about any of that. Yes! Yes! One happy camper, guys. I had to earn these little 3 hours. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. That stud extractor got a good bite on that nut. Uh-oh. Starting to get tight, guys. Please don't stop on me, baby. Don't do this to me. Come on, man. It's starting to get tight, guys. I might have to stop and put some, oh, man. I might have to stop and put some more heat on it. Talking about one happy camper. Get a rag. Woo! What's my name? Ta-da! Woo! Y'all see that? I saved her trip to the body shop, and I saved me some headache. I got it, guys. Man, y'all don't know how happy I am. Thanks for all you guys' inputs. Okay, now I'm gonna tap that out. In fact, let me grab my tap and make sure that it's bent, but the frame is gonna have to withstand that. All right, man. Now, can I reuse this? I guess if I had another boat. Yeah, I mean it's tilted. Hey man, I don't know how much this thing costs, but the boat is $50 and she out of 3 hours labor for me to tap that out of there. So let me grab my tap, guys, see if I can get this cleaned up. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the same size I used on that last one I did. So I'm just gonna clean out the threads, make sure my new boat. Okay, cool. It went. I hope that's straight. Let's see. Somebody got on me the other day about some tap sockets. I don't have any, guys. I do. I don't know what he at. But all we want to do. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You talking about? I'm gonna have me an awesome weekend. Wait a minute. Is that going in straight? Make sure that's going in straight. I don't need no more surprises. Yes, baby. Alright guys, y'all get the picture. I gotta get a right size socket, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just cleaning out the threads, basically what I'm doing. And I will have to get another boat. I'm sorry, she's gonna be out to $50 more. I can't help that. I guess what you need to do, Mr. or Mrs. Customer, is going down those steep hills. Just make sure you slow down, or you can end up with this. So I guess that's the moral of the story. I got it out. And like I said, I want to thank you guys for y'all input. I reading all that stuff. The dude that said I don't want to call out names because I'll leave somebody out. Everybody, I appreciate y'all inputs, man. I thought we was going to have to cut this. I don't know. But this is part 3, final part 3. I got it out. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm going in with a new boat. We're gonna end up reusing that simply because it's reusable. All right, yeah. And we just have to explain to the customer. Oh, is that straight? Yes, it should be fine. Guys, that's all I have, man. Y'all know how I appreciate y'all watching these videos, man. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.